Good morning, students. So, I hope you have solved yesterday's problem. If not, let me know. Fine. So, we will end cross rate with this last problem. From next class onwards, we are going to discuss about foreign exchange theories. We will start with PPP theory, purchase power parity theory, and IRP theory and international Fisher's effect. Those three theories we need to discuss, and we will start with purchase power parity theory from next class onwards. Fine. So the last problem related to cross rate, it's very similar to yesterday's problem. So this data is given. They are asking to calculate outright rate, both bid and ask, right? So again, they have given two-way quotation and they are asking to establish the relationship between New Zealand dollar with the sterling pound, right? So now we need to calculate, see again pips, somewhere they have given 3 digits, somewhere they have given 1 digit, etc. etc. So, so to calculate outright rate for New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We will solve this first, then we will go with US dollar per, we will solve US dollar per sterling pound. Now to calculate the spot rate given for New Zealand dollar per US dollar is 2.2057 is the bid rate, 2.2057 is the bid rate and 2.2078 is the ask price, right? So now 3-month swap they have given us 1/4, that means it is in increasing order. We have to add it, add 3-month, add 3-month swap 0.0, since it is only one digit, it is 0.0001 point oblique 0.0004. This is 2.2082 is the ask price and 2.2058 is the bid price, right? So this is 3 months outright rate or forward rate. So 3 months forward rate is 2.2058 and is the bid price, and 2.2082 is the ask price. Now 6 months swap, again since it is in increasing order, we have to add it to the spot rate. Spot rate given is 2.2057 is the bid price and 2.2078 is the ask price. So 3/9, since it is in increasing order, 6 months swap, you have to add it 0.0003 and 0.0009. It is 2.2060 is the bid price and 2.2187 is the ask price, right? So now, see, this is the 6 months outright rate or 6 months outright rate or forward rate. Now again we have to calculate this one is 2.20, right? 2.2087. So now we have to calculate, see, this is what they have asked, because in the question they are asking as following data are provided, compute 3 months and 6 months outright rate. So we have calculated 3 months and 6 months outright rate for New Zealand dollar to US dollar. Now we have to calculate US dollar per sterling pound. So US dollar per sterling pound. Spot rate given is 1.0886 oblique 1.2 digits are given as a pips 2 point sorry 1.0886 is the bid price and 1.0891 is the ask price, right? So now to calculate 3 months outright rate, 3 month swap is given as 58 oblique 48. Since it is in decreasing order, we have to deduct it from the spot rate. Less 3 months swap, that is 58, 0.0058 oblique 0.0048. So 3 months outright rate 1.0886 minus 0.0058 is 1.0828 oblique 1.0891 minus 0.0048 is 1.0843 is the ask price. That is the 3 months outright rate. Now again, spot rate given is 1.0886 oblique 1.0891. So 6 month swap is given as 108 oblique 97. Again, it is in decreasing order. So we have to deduct less 6 month swap 0.0108 oblique 0.0097. So since it is in decreasing order, we have to deduct it from the spot rate. 1.0886 minus 0.0108 comes 1.0778 oblique 1.0891 minus 1.0794. 1.0794 is the 6 months outright rate. 1.0778 is the bid price and 1.0794. That's what they have asked 3 months and compute 3 months and 6 months outright rate. So both the bid and ask we have calculated for both the quotation. Now second part of the question, they are asking to establish the relationship between New Zealand dollar with the sterling pound, right? So to establish the relationship, second part of the question, now they are asking to establish the relationship between New Zealand dollar to sterling pound. That means New Zealand dollar per sterling pound or New Zealand dollar per sterling pound is equals to. So in the given problem, there are cross rate is the determining of exchange rate between two currencies with the help of connected pair of currencies. Now the given quotation are New Zealand dollar per US dollar, that should be multiplied by US dollar per sterling pound. So to simplify, we have US dollar as denominator in one quotation and US dollar as numerator in another quotation, right? So now the thumb rule of the cross rate. Remember, Please do remember, thumb rule of the cross rate says bid price must be always multiplied with the bid price and ask price must be multiplied with ask price. So now we have to calculate calculation of bid price for spot rate New Zealand dollar per US dollar is 2.2057. So bid price must be multiplied with bid price only 1.0886. So bid price for spot rate is 2.2057 multiplied with 1.0886 is 2.4011, right? So this is New Zealand dollar 2.4011 per sterling pound spot rate. Now 3 months, for 3 months outright rate we have calculated that 3 months outright rate we have calculated 2.2058 is the bid price. Again it should be multiplied with 3 months bid price 1.0828. That comes up to New Zealand dollar 2.3884 per sterling pound. So 6 months bid price we have calculated earlier. It is 2.2060. That should be multiplied with 1.0778. So that is New Zealand dollar 2.3776 per sterling pound. So now we have to calculate ask price. So these are the bid price, and for ask price we are establishing the relationship between New Zealand dollar per sterling pound, right? So calculation of ask price for spot. So ask price is 2.2078. That should be multiplied with 1.0891. So ask price for the spot rate is New Zealand dollar 2.4045 per sterling pound. Now 3 months ask price is 2.2082. 2.2082, that should be multiplied with 1.0843. That is New Zealand dollar 2.3944 per sterling pound. 6 months ask price is 2.2087. That should be multiplied with 1.0794. So that is New Zealand dollar 2.3841 per sterling pound. Right? So this is how you need to present in your sum exam. So these are the bid price and these are the ask price. So with this we can solve one more similar kind of problem. Japanese yen per Australian dollar and Australian dollar per US dollar. Spot rate given 120.2857 Japanese yen oblique 87 and Australian dollar per US dollar is 1.2685 oblique 95. 30 days 30-day swap point given is 2/5 and 5/2. 60 days swap point given is 7/8 and 4/3. 90 days pips is given as swap point is given as 3/1 and 2/7. Now they have asked that compute yen per US dollar using cross rate method. So that means Japanese yen per Australian dollar is given and Australian dollar per US dollar is given. Now they are asking to establish the relationship between Japanese yen per US dollar with the help of given data, right? So first, like earlier problem, you need to calculate outright rate, then bid price must be multiplied with bid price and your answer will be yen per US dollar. Whatever the answer you get, the answer should contain the currency symbol Japanese yen per US dollar, right? So you can solve this problem yourself. It seems if you have any doubt, let me know. Fine. So from next class onwards, we are going to discuss foreign exchange theories, and it's little bit of theory and major part of the foreign exchange theory contains problems. So thank you.